From ActionableOps, here's how to put Hermes on Signal, the most private messenger there is, end-to-end, encrypted by default. Signal works a little differently. Hermes talks to a separate tool called signal-cli, a small daemon you run alongside it. Your phone stays the primary device, and signal-cli links in as a second device, the same way Signal Web does. You'll need Java 17 and signal-cli itself, which you download from GitHub since it isn't in the usual package managers. One quirk to know up front: Signal can't edit a message once it's sent, so Hermes suppresses the live tool progress bubbles here. You still get the final reply, and you can watch the tools run in the CLI. Install it, then link it. On Mac, that's brew install signal CLI. Then run signal CLI link with a name like HermesAgent. It shows a QR code. On your phone, open Signal, go to Settings, Linked Devices, tap Link New Device, and scan it. Now run the daemon. Signal CLI -- account, your number in full international format with the plus, then daemon -- HTTP on localhost port 8080. Keep it running in the background with system, tmux, or screen. A quick curl to the check endpoint confirms it's alive. Point Hermes at it. Run Hermes Gateway Setup and pick Signal. The wizard checks Signal CLI, asks for that HTTP URL and your account number, and tests the connection. Then Hermes Gateway to start, or Gateway install to run it as a service. Lock it down. Set Signal allowed users to the numbers you trust, in full international format with the plus sign, or the gateway denies everyone by default. Groups are off unless you opt in. Set Signal Group allowed users to specific group IDs, or a star for all. Here's the neat part. If you link Signal CLI to your own number instead of a separate one, you can talk to Hermes through Note to Self. Just message yourself and Hermes answers in that same thread. No extra setup, and the bot filters out its own replies so it never loops. That's Hermes on Signal, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.